Hello, welcome to Wonders LED Lighting World. In this channel, I would like to share something about LED lighting and international trading business skills. I would like to share something about LED, market information, raw materials for LED, how to produce them, and the application. As for a good supplier is also very important for your business. So, I would like to share how to find a good supplier in China, how to have a good communication with them, and get support from them, no matter price, delivery time, and quality control. If you like it, enjoy the time with Wonder. Thank you so much.